Welcome guys, Cream Bars back again with another reaction video. So we're gonna check out Dave Black live Brit 2020 award show. I already listened to the original song. This song was actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, very good song. So I'm gonna check out the live and see. Someone said it's actually very emotional. So
look, black is beautiful, black is excellent. Black is pain, black is joy, black is evident. Working twice as hard as the people you know you're better than, cause you need to do double what they do so you can level them. Black is so much deeper than just African American. Our heritage been severed, you never got to experiment with family trees. Cause they teach you out famine and greed. Show you pictures of our family on their knees. Tell us we used to be barbaric, we had actual queens. Black is watching child soldiers getting killed by the children, feeling sick so quick, this could have happened to me. Mommy watching, telling stories about your dad and your niece. Listen, the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Kid dies, the blacker the killer, the sweeter the news. And if he's white, you give him a chance, he's ill and confused. If he's black, he's probably armed, you see him and shoot. Look, black is growing up around the barbershop. Mommy says stay away from trouble, you're in yard a lot. Studying for ages, appreciating.
I like how they actually showing like the piano, the graphics on the piano. That's very cool. Oh, there's everybody around them, dude. That's cool.
Trying to help a lady cross the road to have her walking off. Black is growing up around your family and making it. Being forced to leave the place you love because there's hate in it. People say you're faking it.
Damn, this is awesome, bruh.
You'd be dead if you had stayed in it. Black is struggling to find your history and tracing it. You don't know the truth about your race because they're erasing it. Black has got a really sour flavor. Here's a taste of it, but black is all I know. There ain't a thing that.
But you know it's funny? Most of the thing he's talking about is mostly people who live in multicultural countries, like majority, like white, black, Asian, like a huge population of mixed people live in the country like America, England, Australia, all those big countries that have a huge mixed population. Because for like Jamaica, for example, it's mostly black people. So it would be like, oh, a white cop killer a black man. Almost all the cops out here is black. Almost everybody in Jamaica is black. Almost everybody is black. So this would really resonated for us because our country is literally 95% black already. So this is for most like those mixed countries to really feel the impact. That's why Americans like to talk about race so much, and I cannot understand it because I don't live in America. My country is mostly black, so I wouldn't understand.
Black is deadly. Black is when you're freezing.
Yo, look at that.
But never feeling empty because you got 20 cousins in your country living stress-free, walking for their water daughter wrapped inside a bed sheet. Black is distant. It's representing countries that never even existed while your grandmother was living. Black is my Ghanaian brother reading into scriptures, doing research on his lineage, finding out that he's Egyptian. Black is people naming your countries and what they trade most. Coast of Ivory, Gold Coast, and the Grain Coast. But most importantly, to show how deep all of this pain goes, West Africa, Benin, they call it Slave Coast. Black is so confusing, cause the culture they're in love with it.
Yeah, that's true.
Never seem to help with all the things you know will come with it. Loud in our love.
That's true, now, bro. Even though, let's be real, racism is real in this world, and they say West Africa is basically like the slave coast. That's true. Most slave came from the west part of Africa, like Ghana, all those places. Yeah, that's true, bro. This is crazy.
Poverty made me a beast. I battled the law on the streets. We all struggle, but your struggle ain't a struggle like me. Well, how could it be when your people gave us the odds that we beat? I mean, bloody hell. What about our brothers that are stuck in jail that couldn't bust the bell? They held a bird and got to live with it. Black is being guilty until proven that you're innocent. Black is saying free all of my people stuck inside of prison cells. Think it's funny.
Oh, look at the jail cell. Oh my God, look at that. This is awesome. I'm not gonna lie. I like how they did this video. Even though it's a live video, but I like how they do this.
The truth is, our prime ministers are real racist. They say you should be grateful we're the least racist. I say the least racist is still racist. And if somebody hasn't said it, equality's a right, it doesn't deserve credit. Now if you don't want to get it, then you're never gonna get it. How the news treats Kate versus how they treated Meghan. Rest in peace, Jack Merritt, you're my brother in arms. There's tears in our eyes and love in our hearts. We never had the same background, culture, color or past, but you devoted your life to giving others a chance. And for that, I'm so taken aback, because he gave us all a voice. I have to say it for Jack. As a young black man that's seen paper and crack, giving tougher sentences, it's just paper and cracks. All he would want is unity, funding for communities, equal opportunities, people under scrutiny, no more immunity, way less hatred, more conservation, less deforestation. We want rehabilitation, now that would be amazing. But Grenfell victims still need accommodation, and we still need support for the Windrush generation, reparations for the time our people spent on plantations. I'm done.
Damn, this is awesome, bro. But I have one thing to say. What Dave is saying is not wrong, right? But what I want to say is that we as a people, as a race, must take charge in protecting each other, bro. I'm saying that because if you look at most black country where the crime rate is so high, bro. Listen, I live in Jamaica. I think Jamaica is either the third or the second or the fourth most violent place in the world. You can Google it and check it out for yourself. The crime rate is so high, and that's not no bullshit. I live here, I know, and other Caribbean countries are in that list too, and that's kind of crazy, bro. And I just wish we as a people starting to love each other more and let other people see that we are not some violent monsters killing each other. Because let's be real, if you was like a different race and you see black people killing each other like nothing, like they're animals, what would your perspective be on that race? Dude, you're like, oh my god, these people are killing themselves like crazy. Dude, it is a natural thing. You see me? But I wish our people really take care of ourselves and love each other. When we start doing that and invest in ourselves and build our own stuff, then probably, yeah, we will really give our shit if people want to respect us, yes or no. But anyway, guys, this is the end of the video. Peace out.